Hello, welcome to 3D Joy's YouTube channel. If you're watching, please like and subscribe. Today, I am showing you a space cotmobile or a space-themed ceiling mobile, whatever you want to call it. So this is a really unique cot accessory that we have made. I'm so happy to show you today. So I did another tutorial that was about the flamingo cotmobile. You can make that the same way. This video is all about just showing you the new product because we're super excited. I'll show you the different pieces. So there's this piece which will go like that. As you can see, there's stars, and if you look really closely, there is little glitter in the blue there, which is very cute. And then these are the little icons that you will put on the edges of these, and they will spin round. I'll just show you. We're really proud of these. They're really unique. So this is like a space shuttle. Imagine it landing on Mars. It's a little translucent, I think is a word. So these can also be used as sun catchers. We are going to put them out as sun catchers too. So like light will shine and it will get even brighter. And then we have the moon as space themed. You know, we needed that. We have the astronaut as well, and this satellite, and this rocket. And then it also comes with a hook and a ring and some string so you could hang it off the ceiling. But if you want to put it up a different way, that's up to you. You just want to hook it together. So you see that hook, you're just going to attach it in this. Just gently does it. There we go. Perfect. Now we're gonna add the ring and the string. And we're gonna attach this to this. Okay. There we go. Okay. And we've got the cord. We're just going to attach the cord to the hoop. I like to fold it in half and then knot the end. I'm just going to do a simple knot. If you want to make it extra secure, you can do a better knot. I'm going to clip these on. So we'll start with the spaceman. And then we'll put the satellite. And this one, and you can choose which way you put it on. There's one in the middle too, so that's like your main focal point. So I think the rocket's pretty cool to have in the middle, but you could do the moon or any of them. Okay, see how easy that was? Okay.
And there it is, we are all done. I hope you enjoyed this video, had fun making it. So if you need any more help, don't hesitate to reach out on our website. There's our email address. I'll put the links on the screen too. This has convinced you to check out of our shop. We are on Etsy, but we're also on our website 3djoy.co.uk. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll be posting more videos and more shorts on here. Thank you for watching. And if you have bought this, thank you so much for supporting us.